Heyo! What's up? Welcome to the stream. Happy Friday. Hope you're doing well. What's up, Kevin? How you doing? Lorenzo, good morning. Rush, Joel, Boris, Ryan. Yo. Friday stream. Friday the 13th stream. Feeling spooky already. Get it. Good morning, brohi. What's up, Hopper? Great morning. Daniel, hey. Eddie, how you doing? How did yesterday go? Yesterday did not go well, Joel. Thanks for asking. Woo. Terrible. Max loss on the XFA. Terrible. The rest of the accounts, I did well. It was fine, you know. The morning was going fine, you know. I was winning most of the trades. Just for the XFA, it did not happen for me. Then I just got chopped up and did a little over trading, so it was a disaster. It was a disaster, unfortunately. Pretty frustrating. My kryptonite is like over trading bad conditions. Learn my lesson. You'd think I would have learned by now, but still working through that one. All right, this is the daily chart on NASDAQ. We're right at this trend line. We're at some daily supply. So maybe we'll get a little pullback off this. Dips are getting bought. If you just look, anytime we get a little sell-off going, it is not sustained. We get a nice rally. Like, look at this. Look at these green days we stacked. And then nice low. Little pullback again. Buy. So, yeah, I feel like you got to feel a little bullish with that. But considering where we are, just level-wise, wouldn't mind buying a dip or something. What's up, Miguel? How you doing? What's up, Daniel? It's going pretty good. Pietro, good afternoon. Dragon, hey. Ive, hey. How you doing? This Friday, you know, we got rollover week next week, which can be goofy. Say, oh, what's up? All right, so we're right by where we closed out yesterday. That is held as support in the overnight. I wouldn't mind seeing us test a little bit lower. What's up, Sunder? How you doing? Say the past few months haven't been the best. Oh, I feel like I think August was decent, and this month's gone pretty well. I haven't done a ton of trading this month, but I'd say in general it's gone well. What's up, RFO2? How you doing, Andre? Oz, how you doing? All right, markets open up here in about 5 seconds. I don't have my soundboard plugged in. Oops. Oh, there's green banana. I have not seen you around, banana. I thought you left forever. There's the belated bell there. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of drawdown in this XFA, which is too bad. Because it's pretty new, and I just kind of bombed 2 of the days, so... We'll see if I can keep it alive today. What's up, Andy? How you doing? Happy Friday. The market doesn't open until Dan rings the bell. That's right. What's up, Anthony V. Gates? How you doing? Alright, at the bottom. This trend line's holding there on ES. Don't really have a similar trend line on NAS, but this is supported price all overnight. So up to VWAP there on ES. I found that bigger size accounts are better for trading. Yeah, I like the 150K better than the 50, generally speaking. It's really just mental stuff. But also with the way like the micro scale on Topstep. Song, I'm trading Topstep. Arion, yeah, yesterday sucked butt. How's it going on trading? Right, I'm just trading trading Topstep. JW. Dragos, thanks. Good luck with your trading as well. Nice move off the trend line there on ES. What's up, Justice? How you doing? Coming into the 50-day, is that correct? The 50-day moving average? Can you explain in short your strategy? Dang. 3 minutes into open, I gotta explain my strategy. I scalp price action, I use supply and demand and other key levels. I use a combination of those key levels, price structure, candlesticks to scalp out. Yeah, down 4 bands on the funnel. Yeah. Yesterday was a $2,900 loss. You know, 3,000, whatever. It's terrible. I ended the stream down what, 1,500, and I was trying to buy the VWAP bounce, and we definitely we swept VWAP, and I tried it several times, and it was just not. It was just old habits, and it just drove me nuts. So it was very frustrating. There's VWAP and 50-day moving average. My win rate's around 50%. Samir, just hang out for a bit, man. You'll see. You'll some of your answers will be, or some of your questions will be answered just by watching me trade. You know. The amount of risk it depends on the account, etc. Up through VWAP, very nice move off the trend line there. What's up, Brian? Yeah, not gonna chug a beer just yet. I have about $500 left. The Express is gone. Not about 500. Well, yeah, 4,000. Sorry, 400, 900, jeez. I can't even think, man. Like $490. Drunk trade. Yeah, can you imagine? I mean, I already feel like my brain's only half turned on right now. Gotta get through more of this coffee here. You know, I get asked about fast track trading every day on stream. I don't know. I asked chat. I'm like, hey, chat, has anyone been paid out yet? I don't know. I don't know anything about them, to be honest. I know the concept, but I don't know anything about them. I'm half turned on. My brain, Brian. Yeah, being in the UK though, so I'm trying to imagine if I would like the market opening at 2:30 in the afternoon. I don't know. It feels like that's like the meat of my day, you know? When I really get a lot of work done is like the afternoon. And yeah, I don't know if I would want to do that, spend that trading. Because that means I got to start the day doing stuff I don't want to do. Like I like starting the day doing something I like doing, which is trading. It's like helps me just get going, you know, and it's not too, it's like, to me, it's like a good way to kick off the day. So I kind of like doing morning trading. Do you think being a streamer has impact on your trading? Yeah, it does. Some good, some bad. Like for instance, when I have a bad day, especially like off stream, the losing the money, yeah, sucks. But honestly, the part I dread most is like getting on stream and like having to tell everybody about it. Like if I lost 3,000 in my XFA yesterday and I'm not a streamer and no one knows about me and my trading, it sucks. But I mean, all right. But then having to like try to prove myself every day in front of people is hard to do. And it's like this pressure I don't necessarily want, but there are benefits too. So it's, you know, I learn a lot from chat. Chat's good at like actually noticing like common recurrences in my trading that I might not even notice, you know? And it's like helps me really think through my trading and my analysis out loud in front of people. It's I think it in general it makes me better. All right, so nice move there, up to 480. See if VWAP can hold. Oh, where's Joe? I'm sure Joe would have gotten long around 434 or so. So it came up close to overnight highs, not quite there, and decent rejection so far. Again, I'm favoring the long side just after all this strong buying we've had. These dips are getting bought. Going to the FOMC meeting next week. People are expecting, you know, the rate cut. What's up, Vegas? Thanks. Oh no, 250 viewers and 35 likes. People gotta hit the like button. That's Joel saying that, not me. Just reading what I see. You know, maybe after the opening dies down and you have a chance to settle in, you just hit the thumbs up button on the stream, no big deal. All right, we ticked higher. So Simon, Nelly, what's up? Volume will be a little low now with rollover, right? We'll see. This is looking pretty bullish to me. Buying 55s seems like an okay idea. Stop under VWAP. I don't know if we'll get another sweep lower or not. Something like that to me looks pretty good. If we just could get one more sweep, but we might get the pop first. Is Trades by Matt not streaming today? I see some TBM viewers in here. All right, yeah, there's the. So that this sweep was the better one, but can't always get what you want. Well, welcome TBM viewers. Welcome to your backup stream. I'm glad I'm here for you in your time of need. Hope you're having a good trading week. Let's cap it off with a nice green day, shall we? Have you seen that Trader Thomas live stream? Yeah, I've heard about it. I've never seen him. I feel like he's either streaming while I'm sleeping or he's streaming while I'm streaming. Because every time I check, he's not live. Dad joke? Nah, I'm not gonna steal Matt's dad joke of the day. I think that's something you're gonna have to live without. All right, there's a push lower, but we already came up to my target of overnight highs, so not as interested in buying this now. What's up, Crabzilla? How you doing? Yeah, should we get lit? So my version of lit, since I don't know if Matt increased his target from 420 likes, because he has way more viewers since all his Apex success. My version of that would be, let's see, I think it'd be nice if we just cracked 200 likes. Which, I mean, everyone in here could just easily do, but. It's still 420? Oh, okay. I thought he would scale it as he gets, he has over 1,000 viewers every day, right? Start doing inappropriate jokes instead of dad jokes. Well, I like to keep things pretty mild in here until someone tries to start shit, and then I have to lay a little smack down on them. 420 is still lit. 420 is a sacred number. Yeah, usually I do. I mean, not usually. I used to just read a line from Best Loser Wins because there's so many quotables in here. Here's the first line I found. The purpose of adding to winning trades is at its heart an attempt to fight your normal human behavior. In the beginning, it is not about adding to your profitability. That'll come later. The purpose is to stop you from taking half profits. Wow. Nuggets of wisdom from Tom Hogard. Looks like we should get the sweep here to 500. There's a 96.5. Yeah, I've read Trading in the Zone. So ES is about to come up to daily supply here, and that'll, correlate with a 500 sweep. So maybe we get a little pullback off there. Again, I do want to be. I would like to get in for a long trade this morning. Obviously, down here seems pretty ideal. I just didn't want to buy right off the open. We did sweep 5. We're at 501.5 there on the highs. All right, there's daily supply is tapped there on ES. Overnight highs are swept, so I would like to see us move lower off this and then give me a potential dip buy. What I don't want to see is just this grind higher where I never feel like I can get on board. From the looks of it, chat, you are locked in to your trading. I almost feel like I don't want to distract you. A little tempted to buy this, even though I'd much rather have a better pullback. Let's see if we can come down to VWAP at least. ES is strong though. Look at ES continuing to push into the 20s. Here we go. Come on down, baby. Yeah, RF, I traded ES for like a year and a half. That was the only thing I traded for like a year and a half. I was locked in with it. So I spent a lot of time with trading ES. Does it cost to see real-time data of the NASDAQ features? Usually, yeah. Sometimes if you have money with a broker, you know, they give you data for free. Depends on the broker. Otherwise, you pay monthly for it. Yep. Trevor, no, same. Edge Pro and Motive, I think it's the same email, but like it doesn't matter because they're two separate programs, and I have different logins with each. You know, like one's logging into my personal account, one's logging into Topstep. Rachel liked the stream because I'm not a little biatch. Thanks, Rach. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Did not quite get to VWAP, and ES is pumping new highs here. ES with the relative strength this morning. Simon, you're long for the 21 SMA on what time frame? The EMA? Yeah, what time frame? You signed up for Edge Pro, but now it says license in use when logging into one while the other is open. That's weird. Well, like I have a MotiveWave license and I have an Edge Pro license, so they're two separate licenses. So I think if you're trying to log into both, but you're only paying for one, that might be your issue. One minute, 21 EMA? Gotcha. Do you journal your trades? I do have TradeZella, but I have not really journaled as much since live streaming because this really helps me think through my trades, and then I always kind of analyze afterwards the trades I took and why I took them. But you know, I could still benefit from journaling more. Yeah, Russell's up 1.5%. Dow's up 0.5%. NASDAQ, a laggard, up 0.15%. It's more fun when the index I want to trade is, you know, if I want to go long on NAS, I like it when NAS is got relative strength to the other indices. All right. I might try to get along around here. So consumer sentiment at the top of the hour here. It can definitely spark some volatility. Usually it's just short-lived, but you know, if you're in the trade when that hits, it can definitely sweep you out. All right, consolidating here. Hopefully we get a little expansion and move higher, move lower, something. But right now we're just chopping around the 80s, 480s. To me, ES looks like it's gonna wants to grind higher. What's up, Lavish? Well, as I just mentioned, you know, NAS is a laggard this morning. Who says NAS? A lot of people say NAS. Google it. It's the NASDAQ. Why would you not abbreviate it to a one-syllable nickname? Yeah, network attached storage, yeah. Found the computer nerd. Found him. Finally gonna get that pop here on NAS. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Hallowed, like you're not telling me anything I don't know, right? You're just like kind of beating me up for stuff I already beat myself up for, so it's actually not as helpful as you might think it is. Like that kind of comment. Trust me, I'm very, very frustrated with myself, so you're not really you're not really helping me out. A little consolidation here. I like to pop to the upside, but these little sweeps lower could definitely stop me out. All right, there's a poke lower. Let's see if we get to VWAP. Nice little wick lower there that got bought up. News in 4. Thanks for the reminder, Simon. Gotta watch that sentiment number coming out. There's Joe. What's up, Joe? Did you catch that long earlier? I figured you bought around like, what'd I say, 30s, 430s? You were trading? No, you had to take care of some junk this morning. All right. There's Midnight. What's up? You overslept today with 3 alarms. Now, where's Grizz? I was wondering where all the usual people are. I mean, there's plenty of familiar names in chat, but I was wondering where everyone was at this morning. So, if you just joined, news in less than 2 minutes, it says sentiment number. So, heads up if you're in a trade, all right? Now, where's Subday Trader? Subday Trader, you pick your spots to chat, right? I feel like you're just always there and just like you're waiting for the right moment to ask me about women's skeet shooting or something. News gonna move. Let's see, we got about 1:20. Again, favoring the long side. Not to sound like a broken record, but what I think is like, what I don't want to happen, like I don't want news just to pump us out of this higher, and I don't really get in where I want to get in. I almost would prefer news to take us for a dip that offers a buying opportunity. What's up, Isaiah? Staying patient today? Smart man. All right, 20 seconds till news. Yeah, the Russell is crushing today. Midnight, yeah, I'm bullish too. Just want to find a good spot to get in. Honestly, there's news. Okay. Well, see, this is why I didn't really want to happen. Is okay. Oh, well, it's coming back. It's coming back. Okay. That's actually a pretty big spike there for sentiment. It's pretty good. How big is this candle? This is a 62 point, yeah, 70 something point candle. Okay, so little sweep higher and then move down to yesterday's close. It's all over the place. I'm gonna wait for it to settle. I like kind of coming into the 50-day moving average there. So that's holding at the moment. All right. Settle down now. Simmer down. I'm gonna try. Gotta adjust my parameters here. Gonna try a little VWAP by. This is on the 50k evals. Joe made $2. All right. Today might be a Subway day for you, Joe. Let's see if ES finds some little support here. My stop on the evals is 48s right here. About to get stopped. I don't know how I feel about this long at the moment. Get off the deck here. Just gonna kill that. Grab a quick 200 on those evals. Just a little wallet patter. Yeah, ES is kind of failing to move higher there. Still like to see if we can get going here. Any new videos coming soon? Nothing, nothing in the works. Moving higher, there we go. How's he had it going? Made a big dent in it last night or yesterday. Like about maybe a little over a third of the way through, about 10 minutes into the short film edit. Then obviously there's a lot of stuff that goes into it after you assemble everything, but yeah, made some good progress yesterday. Kind of feels to me like Well, I mean, right now it's like fairly. It's a little choppy. I would not be surprised. Yeah, it feels a little 50-50 at the moment, but wouldn't mind getting a better retest lower. I know that the news candle did it really fast, but yeah, my trade would have worked out pretty nicely there. I just took a few pennies. Let's see, this was on the evals. It's a very small. It was a 10-pointer. But yeah, there's target acquired. How'd you get more than 2 follower accounts on EdgeClear? You mean Edge Pro X? You mean trade copiers on Edge Pro X? Is that what you're asking? I don't know. I don't know. Are you limited on how many trade copiers you can have? I'm a little tempted to short this. I don't think I'm going to, but I'm tempted. Again, I'd rather play the long side today. Who else lost massively on an NQ spike? Hopefully no one. We talked about news several times leading up to it. I mean, if you're in a trade, you got to be prepared to get wrecked. Going into news, you know. Sorry to hear it, Daryl. All right. Man, ES is just so choppy. I still want to get long NQ, but I wish ES was looking a little bit more like it's gonna get some legs and work its way higher. Thoughts on Forex? I don't like Forex. Exclamation point Forex if you want to watch my attempt at trading Forex many years ago. Not a fan. I think features just way superior. Nice. Push, push. ES finally got off the ground there, so it's nice. We're gonna take a long here on the evals. Oh, this is 1 micro. Maybe not the worst idea in the world. Get my beak wet. It's not the best entry, so small size. Whoa, yeah, that's a good thing. Good thing that was 1 micro. These cell candles have just been like kind of just out of nowhere, just running through stops. Okay. Yeah, Russ up to 1.9% on the day. Pump, pump. Yeah, the camera does seem a little laggy, doesn't it? Honestly, my whole computer is a little laggy right now. I might just have to deal with it because restarting would be a pain in the butt. Midnight close to getting a payout. Come on, let's go. You'll get it. Sure of it. I agree with you, Eddie. Let's just head up to 600. Quit goofing off. Let's get a nice clean bull flag setting up. Let everybody in. Next stop 600. Then we go into the weekend with a big fat stack. Why is that so hard? Am I gonna pop this or what? Rejected this 3 times now. I think it's due for a pop. Letters on the NQ chart. They're just it's not set up right. I tried adding the bar counter to it. You know, some people count bars small in particular. Count bars, and so it's supposed to be a bar counter, but I don't think it's set up right. All right, a little pop there. Let's see if we can sustain. Up to 19.5. Yeah, these sell candles are annoying. Missed your take profit by half a point. Ew. Nah, free paper cuts is a good day to miss out on some of this morning action, honestly. Pretty garbage. Pretty garbagey. Might take a stab along. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can't trade 3 micros. Or 5 micros. I always forget. It's annoying. All right, Adrian, enjoy your coffee. This is some really nasty stuff going on. TJ, I'm trading both. Right now I'm set to micros though. Just doing these little stop runs here. Very stubborn. A lot of wicks. Small size, larger stops, maybe. Maybe that's the move. We gotta break into these 20s or we're dropping. There's a push. Do I still hold the same thoughts on Forex as I did before? I don't remember exactly what I said, other than markets are efficient and it's hard to make a profit in Forex. I think it's you should trade futures or stocks. What's up, Corey? How you doing? Nice. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. You always trade 4 Apex accounts only? No, I'm trading Topstep. And I just trade whatever I have. Sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 0, sometimes it's whatever, you know? So right now I have 4 50K combines and I have 1 150K express. That's not doing so hot. If we break this trend line, I might short. This is just, we're running into a wall here, it seems like. Yeah, Paolo, that's not a bad idea to dip out. I mean, I would not overstay your welcome today. You know, market's been open for less than an hour, so I'm going to give it a little bit of time, but yeah. All right, we're under that trend line. To me, I would short, but it's moving a little fast at the moment. See if this just gets bought up and we're right back up, though. Let's just go here. This 15-minute is setting up to close pretty ugly at the moment. Wick through your order and didn't grab it? That's annoying. All right, there's VWAP. Price action looking weird today. What do you think? Yeah, it's weird. Like I said, don't overstay your welcome. I don't think I would stick around an hour max from now, and then I'm done, regardless of what happens. Clean VWAP test for now. Yeah, let's see. It's nice, you know, ES, it's a nice retest of its whole 15-minute opening high. Setting a trend line, do you put the line on the body of the wick? I would do whatever seems to make sense. You know, it's an art, not a science. sometimes wicks, you know, whatever gives you more touches, honestly. So, firmly in the VWAP this time. There's a 50-day moving average. All right, into yesterday's close. How'd you get over trading? Revenge trading? I haven't. I did it yesterday. So, still a work in progress. I honestly think it's about accepting your losses, like Tom talks about. It's about being a good loser. If you're a good loser, you can just accept the losing day sooner instead of digging yourself a bigger hole. Okay, so it's a nice move into yesterday's close, essentially where we opened today. ES is right on VWAP. Let's see if we bounce out of here or what. It's just been kind of all over the place, very whipsaw-y. I mean, it could be a good dip buy scenario, but just the selling just seems so aggressive compared to the buying. Do you trust the VWAP retest though? I don't know, man. I'm not going to front run a limit order like I did yesterday. I would wait and see how it interacts at VWAP and see if I still want to sell short. Because, you know, like I said, it could be a good dip buy. Like I said, I prefer to buy down here is what I said, you know, like 30 minutes ago, and now we're here. It just always feels less good when we're down there, you know? You're just like, that was a fast move down there. Do I really want to be buying it? That's why trading is hard. I think there's a V bottom and now we run the highs. Simon, I would like that, honestly. I'm definitely down for that. I think I'll just use VWAP as a gauge, you know, if we get back above it. Best trades are the ones that are emotionally hard to take. Yeah, I agree with that, actually. Yeah. My best entries are the ones that don't feel good in the moment. Does feel like this is heading lower. Like I said, definitely seems momentum is with the sell. And that 15-minute candle is kind of gross. Nope. Best trades are the ones where you see the trade coming a million miles away. You wait patiently, enter it, and it just reacts instantly hard and hits TP. Well, yeah, that's an ideal scenario, but a lot of times the really obvious ones, a lot of other people are looking at them and they don't play out like you think they will. That's my opinion. And, you know, it's not just like a hard and fast thing that the best trades are always the ones that feel uncomfortable, but what I have noticed a lot of the ones that I don't feel so great about, but I'm like, no, this is what I expect to see. Those are the ones that do turn out pretty nice. And, you know, obviously when there's a really good setup and you add as it confirms and you keep building a big ass position, that's fun. Like that's nice when a trade like that works out and you can just really build a nice size position. John, you're positive on all accounts for the week. Probably best for me to go with this price action. Yeah. Have a good weekend, John. Catch you later. What's up, Twisty? How you doing? I'm considering a sell here. A little poke through VWAP here. I'm watching. I mean, if we're just right back above, this could be that V bottom that I think Simon talked about. But if this holds, then I'd be thinking sell. So right now it's a little 50-50 on what we're doing next. I mean, more so than ever. What's up, Roger? How you doing? Look at these candles on the 15. Look at these wicks down here. Doot. It's gross. Guillermo, you're long bias? Yeah, I mean, I was too. 5-minute candle is a pretty big hammer there. All right, see if VWAP holds. I don't know. I don't know about this. It feels so sketchy. Feels like it just, if I try this long, it just feels very knifey. VWAP's holding though, so. Wicks on the 15 looks strong along. Yeah, I know what you mean. We just really ran into a wall there in the 20s. What's up, Parshop? How you doing? All right, well, it might have been that V-bottom we talked about, Simon. Must be 20 to 4 my time by the sounds of that song. That's funny. There's Grizz. Ah, damn. Hope everything's okay with your family there, Grizz. Obviously way more important than trading. Really nice little buy up here. Nice move. It's the highs. There's that V bottom. I mean, fell still 50-50 there for a while. And I think getting in around that hold of VWAP was the best move. Have you ever listened to Hardcore History? I don't think I have, actually. What's up, Gabagool? Gabagool! Away! Nice push. Nice pushes. No, it's hard for you to talk about. You still use her cycles. It's not hard to talk about. No, I don't. Where were they? They're on here. There they are. I mean, honestly, I don't know how to use them, but come on, that lines up perfect with those freaking dips. I don't even know what I'm looking at, but is that sorcery? What is this? Like, look at all these the ones with all of the coinciding dips. I know that's not, I don't even think that's how you're supposed to use them, but like, that's like perfect. So, yeah, no, I haven't used them though. All right, so what is this? We're at IBH. I gotta get off these hair cycles. That's hindsight though? No, it's not. Oh, I mean, like they're printing ahead of time. Road to Funny, what's up? So here's IBH. Are we double topping? Are we popping this? What are we doing? Let's find out. What's up, Midnight? No, I'm not sponsored by Topstep, but I'm just like a affiliate partner. So yeah, no, I still have to pay for everything. So I took a long on my personal account. I got chopped up this morning on it. Kind of oversized loss here, but I took a long at 475, so I'm sitting in this. ES looks good for the pop. Hopefully NQ follows suit. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this trade plays out. I would like to sit in it for a bit longer. Grizz, you need another 65 bucks. Nice. It's a good feeling being that close to a payout. You're at 52, 249 on Apex evals. Need someone to tell you what. Walk away, Valletta. Walk away. Next week. Well, next week's rollover week. I don't know. Just go ahead and walk away. It's a Friday. If you walk away green, why not? You know. All right. Let's see if we can push highs here on Nas. Sorry, I mean NASDAQ. I don't mean to abbreviate it and offend you. Yeah, just walk away, Valletta. I mean, Fridays can be tricky, so if you're green, take your green, go home. Nothing wrong with that. I don't want us to roll over here, Grizz. I want us to continue popping. Pop, pop. Swift rejection. We've seen a lot of these large sell candles. Chester? Ugh. Gross. Alright, let's see if 500 can hold here. I'm not a big Linkin Park fan. I didn't really keep up with all the drama about it, so I don't know. No comment. I'm a little tempted to buy this. Just keep wrists pretty tight because we've had these pretty big sell candles. So James, how you doing? You know, price action's pretty garbage, but it's going all right. Push. Let's get a push for midnight. Also for me, I'm still in this trade on my personal account, and would love to see push highs here. Push it. You know, I like VIX. You know, VIX is pushing new lows, which is nice. Nice. Push. Yeah, we pamp. I hope so. I would like that. That would be nice. Dan, what do you do to relax? I watch movies. I watch TV. I make music. Play guitar. Go for a walk. I don't really game, but like once or twice a month I play for like an hour with one of my friends. So I don't really game, but I do enjoy doing it. I just I just don't find myself spending time doing that anymore. What happened to this window? Why did it get resized? This is the first time I'm noticing this. We usually play like whatever FIFA's called now, or NHL. Playing chess doesn't count as gaming. No, I don't play chess. Crazy how indoors you live. I'm never inside. Okay. Feels a little judgy, Brad. I mean, I usually I'm usually outside for, maybe, depends on the weather, like an hour or so. But I work out inside, and my actual other job is inside. So on and so forth. What kind of guitars running? I got a Larrivee acoustic, got a Jazzmaster, and I got a Fender Tom DeLonge Strat. Those are the three behind me. Chris, I got the graffiti yellow, man. I love it. She's a beaut. Honestly, I don't think I've restrung it since I was like in high school, so it needs restrung, but it sounds like plugging in and, you know, playing on it again for the first time in like years. I forgot how awesome it sounds for pop punk. It's like that's like the only thing it's good for, but it sounds so good. I'm not gonna play something. Yeah, Chris, I got the OG one. I got it when I was 15 or so, and yeah, then I think it got discontinued right for a while. But yeah, I love that guitar. Dang, Juan. Finally something nice on camera. That was savage. That guitar, that Tom DeLonge Strat, I want to say it was about $700. I don't remember. Could have been $550. It's $550 or $700. I don't really remember. Because, you know, that was like 20 something years ago. 21 years ago. Camera's lagging, yeah. My computer's kind of lagging. I don't know what's going on, but I think it needs to be restarted, and can't really do that. I do think we're gonna pop highs here and run up at some point. The question is when, right? And we've had all these kind of strong sell candles that have been a little tough. But I'm still sitting in a long. I was tempted to kill at the highs. I didn't do it. So I'm still feeling rather bullish. I'd like to see us pop here. It's possible we just have another down move first, though. Cookie jar, what do you mean another espresso account? This is the same espresso account I've had for the last this week. Appreciate the playlist. Exclamation point music, Gabriel. You long in personal account? Yeah, Jim. Been sitting long since 475. When is rollover over? Should be the last week of September. So not next week, but the week after. $85 lifetime promo. I'm not going to do it. I'm sick of my Topstep. Vic's making new lows, so I like us pushing new highs here. That's why I'm still staying in this trade. I mean, among other reasons. Nice midnight. Congrats. Okay, at the highs again. ES not there yet. Is there a way on Motorway to sync your drawings across symbols, but not your indicator studies? Yeah, I think. Let me think about it for a second. Yeah, I think so. And what you can always do, I think, is just delete the indicator from that chart that you don't want it on. I believe, and if that syncs, then what you do is like go into the indicator and tell it not to display as at that time frame that you don't want it on. So say visibility, and then you say, you know, you can tell it where you know what time frames you want it to display on. All right, we're gonna push this or what? Kind of tired of waiting. I want to decisively break these highs. Kevin, look at the bottom of your screen, buddy. I mean, the bottom of my P&L. It's the one with negative $46.50. It says Express on it. It's highlighted. It's still there. Push, push. Yeah, Kevin, 400 some odd dollars left to draw down, which is not ideal, but I've come back from worse, so. If I turn, it's gonna take you a while, but you know, like years. It's hard to do. So you have to commit years to this. I mean, I think Midnight's put in a lot of time, done a lot of statistics to help him with his strategy. So rejection here. I don't really like seeing this. Might kill this long I'm in. I don't know. I really wanted us to pop this. Come on, baby. Push, push. Alright, I like the buy up there. Alright, you guys want to see the personal count here? Still sitting in this. Push, push. If we get the break and I can close out up here above the highs, feel pretty good about that. Just being very stubborn. ES is not, I mean, it's pretty far from its highs. Started this account with $5,000 and I took $2,000 out a couple weeks ago. I'm using EdgeClear. EdgeClear is the broker for that one. Man, this one is tough to sit in. I mean, it still looks good for the pop. Trying to be very patient here. I mean, VIX is really printing new lows. All right, midnight. Have a great weekend. Congratulations on the payout. Well done. Wait for the close on 15. Yeah. I just prefer if it doesn't make me sweat that much. I would be pretty bummed if it comes back down and stops me out, because I've had plenty of opportunity to get out at the highs. All right, push, baby. Yeah, this has been a long hold. I've been sitting this for quite a while. Did some scalping earlier, got chopped up. Hence the $688 loss. So it took along at 475 at 939. So I've been sitting this for a minute. I may come up here and protect myself if we don't get the pop. $1,000 trades, pretty solid. It's 50 points. Back at the highs. Every time we move off the highs, I think, man, I should have just taken profit at the highs. But when I get to the highs, I'm like, we're gonna pop the highs this time. I know it. Yeah, this is on my personal account. You think we pop down still, Grizz? Pop, pop, baby. Here we go. Come on. Now hold, don't reject. Cannot handle another friggin' rejection. Push, print new highs, come on. on, come on, come on, come on. What if I'm trailing too close? At this point, I don't really want to give back too much. All right, beautiful trade. Very nice. I'm happy with that. It's about 50 points. I may take another withdrawal from this account. I might pay myself another $1,000. That might feel good, considering the XFA did not go well. That's why I honestly, it's nice having both accounts, you know, like just kind of diversifying a little bit and trading both. And, you know, if you're struggling with a funding firm, with whatever, you know, with all the hoops and rules and whatever, it's nice having the personal account that it's just straight up trading, you know, you really don't have to worry about your broker's margins. And then it's pure trading. So it's so simple. So I appreciate that about it. So I might just pay myself for the week. Maybe just $957 or whatever. Just put it right back to $5,000 going into next week. Kind of like that idea of just consistently paying myself. And again, that's about a 20% gain on that too, on that account for the. I think it's maybe 7 trading days, maybe 6, something like that. This still looks good for a pop, honestly. My initial deposit was $5,000, and then I took a $2,000 deposit or withdrawal a couple weeks ago. So the account would be at $7,957 if I did not pay myself. You leave it in there, build cushion. I might do that too. I don't know. I like having the cushion for sure. I'm not still trading with Apex, no Bernard. Build your account. Yeah, it's tempting to build my account too. I feel a little torn. Kind of tempted to grab this long on the Express, even though it's been a little dicey. I don't know. Are you an Inskeeper? I don't know what an Inskeeper is. So, yes and no. No, call it a day. You don't think I should long? Yeah, you're probably right. Although, so I would say, you know, if this trend line holds, price scalp out. If you have $1 million, it's easy to make a living. Yeah, I agree. Getting 5,000 to $1 million. Now that would be a good YouTube series, would it not? 10 years later, I'm like, I did it, and I'm bald. Would you say futures are the best place to start? I don't know. I'm a little torn. I might say stocks are the best place to start. Not micros, just like large cap stocks. Just because you get a little edge with the stock, and you can just trade one share, and you can easily scale. But with barely, you know, you can easily scale where your risk doesn't necessarily magnify like it does with the leverage on futures. You looking for short? Yeah, I mean, a short would make sense too, because we run into 530s, and did we sweep the high? I think we did by a couple ticks and then rejection. So we get on this trend line. I think shorts are in play too. But I look at the 5-minute too, and I think, I mean, that's kind of clean consolidation at the highs for a pop. 15-minute, I would say as well. I kind of like the idea. It looks pretty good for a pop higher, but I mean, so far we're obviously not getting that. So. let's look at the 5 minute on ES here. I think it looks pretty bull flaggy to me. This line's holding here. I'm so tempted to try this. I'm only trading short-term MHC. The turn, I mean, listen to me. Listen to people in chat who have been doing this. I'm not saying I have the secrets, but I think my advice is rational and sound. You know, you're gonna maybe spend the weekend looking for a channel or some sort of strategy that's gonna really break things open for you, and I don't think you're gonna find it. I think do whatever you can to learn price action, right? Don't worry about a strategy right now, just learn price action. Any reason why Apex is out for you? I spent a fair amount of time and a fair amount of money, and it just didn't happen for me. And so I'm just decided to go back. Topstep is where I had success before. So, and I like the payout rules the best. Like, I don't even know, people were saying that Apex was making them screen record their trades and stuff. Like, I don't really know all about that. I just know that Topstep doesn't really question your trades like that. So, MHC, glad you're here. Thanks. Okay, watching here, this trend line. See if it breaks, see if it holds. I'm tempted to grab it long. If it breaks, it's a quick stop out. Ooh. I hesitated. I'm gonna try it, tight risk. In case we get a little pump, I'll raise the take profit a little bit. Profit target's the same exact as yours. I just kind of threw it up there. I mean, right before 550 makes sense. I mean, there's a nice pump. That was a pretty good entry, guys. If you don't mind, I will pat myself on the back for that one. Timing was pretty impeccable there. See if we can push now. I don't really have a lot overhead here. Obviously, I'd like to see us pump, but I don't know. I just want to see us close up here. This is on the XFA account that I'm taking this trade. Yeah. I don't want to see just another rejection. It looks like we finally got a nice, decent candle up. So I don't want to see just another upper wick rejection kind of thing that we've been seeing. So got our 5 seconds on this candle. Can let it come back a little bit. I'd like to preserve at least like halfway point of this candle. Yeah, see, no, it's just a quick rejection. Alrighty. I think it's whatever your expectations are, whatever your targets are, rein them in. today. That's my advice. It's about brings it about close to flat on the day, which is nice because those accounts are green. My personal account's green, which is most important to me. So even though for some reason today feels almost like a losing day. I don't know why. It's probably just I'm probably just thinking about the XFA. I'm still just like disappointed with it. You know, I wasn't. It's when those XFA when trading goes awry like that, when you just have a terrible day, you just. I'll speak for myself. It's just I don't even want to think about trading. You know, I wake up today and I'm like I'm just pissed. I'm still kind of pissed about like the situation I put myself in. Look at the 5 minute, man. This is like so much consolidation. We're definitely, I mean, I would highly expect us. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. On my evals, I won 11 days, made 15K on 5 Apex accounts. Well done. Great feeling, isn't it? What indicator do I use for IBH? It's the open high low close on MotiveWave. Open high low close, OHLC, and then opening range, make it 60 minutes, and then there you go. I know, Joe, you're right. People oversize, and myself included. Return. You better delete that message, sir. I literally don't want to have to tell you about floors and ceilings ever again. I still like longs. I can't help it. I like longs. It's just these freaking these scare candles, man. Been nasty. All right, Grizz, have a great weekend, man. Jay Coops, you're in a long, nice. What are you doing, bud? Dog's freaked out about something. I'd like to see ES pop here. I'm gonna try this here. It's a little sketchy. Are you eating something? What'd you do? Anything. This actually looks like it's gonna knife. Gonna tighten it up. Yeah, okay. Looks a little knifey here. I think I should go ahead and call it a day, don't you guys? It's Friday. Beautiful day outside, probably. Green on the personal account here. Doing well there, which is nice. So, pretty pleased with that. The evals are making good progress. They're about halfway through the evals. So, yeah. Doing pretty groovy. Yeah. Good luck with the short, Joe. We might get a nice little move here. It's very gross to me. A lot of fake outs. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and end things here though. Come hang out in the Discord if you want. ! Discord in the chat. It's free, of course. Have a great weekend. See you guys on Monday. Peace.